guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a suspended fishtail bubble braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. With this style, you can set it any way you like, on this side or even in the back. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you how to do it from the back. I get better grip when her hair is wet. Okay, you're going to bring it all together. I'm going to go ahead and put this into a ponytail, a very low ponytail. After putting it into a low ponytail, I'm going to hide her hair tie with her hair using a top detail. Okay, so we're going to take the ponytail and split it into 2 equal parts. So all you're going to do is create a fishtail. Take from the side, bring it over. On the other side, and bring it over. You're going to continue to do this 6 or 7 times. So I did it 7 times. So after you do it 7 times, or however many you want to do it, you're going to take an elastic band on this side and secure it off. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. You're going to secure this side off with an elastic band. Just to hide that elastic band. You've completed this set. Okay, so now you're just going to do the same thing you did here onto the next one. Take from each side 7 times. Okay, after you do it 7 times, see where the hole is? You want to create that little hole because that's how it looks suspended. So you want to make sure that you don't close that hole in. After you do this, you're going to go ahead and secure each side with an elastic band. Okay, and then scoot it up. Make sure that the elastic band is covered. You can go back up here if you like and just pull them out, stretch them out if you like, just to give it some extra volume and thickness, and then you're back doing it again. This is all there is to it. Going to continue to do this all the way down to the desired length you like. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
It's time to let it go. When the sun goes down, we're gonna turn this up tonight. Move your feet around till it makes you When the sun goes down, we're gonna turn this up tonight. Move your feet around till it makes you feel alright. Eternal lights under lights. DJ cooking up sides on the stereo.
Okay, I'm going to stop right here. And I'm going to just take this top detail, put it right in between these, right here, and grab a small section from the back of her hair and just wrap it around just to hide those elastic bands and to bring them together. There you go. Gonna go back up here and just pull out the sides. And there you have it. Just gonna put a little hairspray. Let's do a final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and following our videos on parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Till next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless, and have a great week.